Hope you all are doing great. So, I'm vlogging today. So, उसमें कुछ hair care या skin care नहीं है. This time I'm going to do some painting session. और मैं अपने हेयर कलर की पूरी डिटेल्स दी है बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ यू गाइज आर आस्किंग मी कौन सा हेयर कलर है, कितने कलर्स मिक्स है. तो मेरे पास कुछ व्लॉग फुटेज है विच आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इन दैट व्लॉग विच आई बी अपलोडिंग टुमारो. So I am continuing my PR unboxing session now. So stay tuned and watch. People have sent such amazing gifts and I'm super grateful. Keep on watching. Put your chain, like put your keys in this so they'll be safe. Very nice and very thoughtful. Then they have sent me these really nice orange color pillow covers. So they have sent me 2 of these. Thank you so much and happy Diwali. And there's this pouch which got a nice zip. So that is really nice. Thank you so much. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Have a safe one. These are so nice. यार अच्छे लगते हैं तो काफी. कुछ चीजें मैं literally I open in front of you guys. Okay, so these are the pretty mask. Thank you so much guys. ये तो एकदम दिवाली vibe के साथ जा रहा है. And look at this. So I am just bombarding you guys with my stories, but I just want to show you guys everything before Diwali because हम लोगों ने दिवाली gifts भेजे हैं. So I thought that would be really nice. And let me just open. I've got these masks from Vachi Raj and pretty, really nice. Look at this. I am going to use this one a lot. मुझे अपने इनिशियल्स वाले तो बहुत ही पसंद आते हैं. And then I got this check one. So classy and nice. Thank you so much. Happy Diwali. Next up, I have something really pretty and really nice, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So this is from this brand, and this looks so pretty, guys. मैं इतनी excited हो गई थी ना देख के. It's been so long. I actually got a handbag for myself. So this one is so pretty. Look at this. This is like green, like dark green, and looks so nice and like so classy. You wear it and looks so pretty. I absolutely love this one. Thank you so much for sending. Or packaging was really nice. They also sent this cloth for your bag, which is so good. So thank you so much for sending. I absolutely loved it. So cute and super comfy. Absolutely loved it. Thank you so much for sending. You something very cute from the Right Up. What is their name? Right Up, the Right Stuff, and they have sent me these cute adorable unicorn slippers. I absolutely loved it. मुझे ये कब से चाहिए थे. And these are. I have something really pretty. You have to check out page. These are handmade jewelry. Aminik, if I'm pronouncing it right, मैं यहाँ पे tag कर दूँगी उनको क्योंकि मेरी pronunciation बहुत ही गंदी है. Anyway, so this is this beautiful neck piece. अगर मेरा दिवाली outfit time पर आ गया, मतलब अभी मेरे पास 1 दिन है, I'm going to wear this. This is so pretty. उनकी मैंने उल्टा दिखा दिया. Let me show you guys. This is beautiful that I can't wait to use this. I remember them telling me, I don't know if it was a girl or a boy, so yes. I remember them telling me that इसके अंदर flax seeds हैं तो ये आपकी आंखों को काफ़ी अच्छे से इसे calm down करेगा and all that. So Rajasthani neem juice, and then we have Thar aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice बहुत अच्छा होता है आपकी body के लिए. Repairs your dead skin and breaks the sugar, fat. So this is going to be really nice. Thank you so much. I'm excited to try this. Thank you so much for sending. Next one. I know बहुत सारी stories हो गई. In case अगर ज़्यादा हो गई होंगी तो मैंने 2 में divide कर दिया होगा. Okay, so this is the box, Diwali box from Kapiva, and I genuinely love their product. I genuinely use something to soothe your eyes. So basically this is from Oscar Home, and इसके अंदर है ना basically flax seeds हैं और आप इसे warm up करके अपनी आंखों पे रख सकते हैं. काफ़ी अच्छा होगा उसके लिए. This is really nice. Smells so soothing and so. This is how it looks. This is so pretty. I absolutely loved it. And these are the earrings. और एक और earrings उन्होंने भेजे हैं. They are so pretty. You guys are doing amazing job. I loved it. about to order another one, so I have more. So basically आपको ये 2 gummies खानी होती है दिन में, and it's very good for your hair and skin. Then I have virgin coconut oil. You guys know कि मैं ये पीती हूँ virgin coconut oil. And then I have organic cow ghee, mom के लिए. And then I have pure wild honey. Okay, let me just open. So this is the pure wild honey. Then we have, this is amazing. Thank you Kapiva team for sending me this. I am going to use all of them and I love you guys. So same people जिन्होंने ये handmade jewelry बनाई थी ना, उन्होंने ही मुझे ये 2 neck pieces भी भेजे हैं. One says hope and the another one says thankful, and I am going to wear this so much. I loved it. This is so pretty. Quality भी काफी अच्छी है उनकी. In case you guys want something customized, you can get it. This looks really really nice. Thank you so much everybody for this amazing Diwali gift. I absolutely loved it, and raat tak I just finished it. Thank you. Okay, next up I have from this brand called Kalakaria by Riju. If I'm pronouncing your name wali hu, which I promised you guys, but I just have to speak to my courier company if they're still delivering stuff. Okay, so I have to do that, and I'm super excited. So mostly after Diwali I'll be planning 5 big giveaways for you all. I am putting up the reels and pictures almost every day, but I really want you to go and check out Shine With Us Always, because we have some really good premium quality jewelry and we believe in giving. I want to go, so I have got this from this brand called Zete, if I'm pronouncing it right. Oh my god, this smells so good. So इसमें है coffee bean, mint bliss, berry lore and rose and oranges. Thank you so much guys, even though I know I have to clean so much now, so much of mess I can see right here, but thank you so much for sending me. I am super grateful to you all. Also guys, मैं 500k का giveaway कर ended, sorry. So we have some really nice jewelry, and I'm not going to brag it because it's my brand, but I believe in giving the best, and you guys are going to definitely love it. We are going to come up with a lot of stuff. We are coming up with something really and just go and check that out. Thank you so much and love you guys. Bye bye. Nice with any of your outfit. Like आपको neck piece पहनने की जरूरत है when you wear this. 1 second, it got tangled. Okay. So yes, this is how it looks, and it looks super adorable. I loved it. Like आपने सिर्फ ये पहना और ये. Next up, I have 2 earrings from this brand called Simply Kala. These are these beautiful earrings. These look so pretty. I absolutely loved it. And there's one more which is going to look sundar lega. Thank you so much for sending. I have this from Shopping Destination. Yes, I love her stuff. She sends really cute stuff. So the purple top, just मैंने yellow पहना है ना, exactly उसी का purple है. I love this color. You know I'm obsessed with this color. Very excited. So stay tuned guys, and I also want to tell you guys that if you guys don't know, me and my sister, we have this brand called Shine With Us, and we have some amazing jewelry. We have just come up with some new amazing jewelry. I know that मैं गलत pronounce कर रही हूँ, then I'm sorry. So these are these tassel earrings, and this is also an earring. Okay, let me just see. पूरा वो ये खोलो ना. I have these earrings. Okay, these were 2 earrings. मुझे लगा एक है. And we have this pretty neck piece. Thank you so much. And yay! Exciting. I don't know if I should share it, right now, but I'm very excited about it, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it because आप लोग सब उसके बारे में मुझसे काफी बार पूछ चुके हो. And right now, just go and check out. We have some jewelries. We make can't wait to wear